You can always spot someone who's never seen one of his plays before. Notice, no fear, no sense of impending doom.
Doom. Doom.
No fear, no sense of impending doom.
Hello.
Oh, she's amazing. She makes the women I dream about look like short, fat, bald men.
Bald. Bald.
Makes the women I dream about look like short, fat, bald men. Oh, so you're divorced?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. So you're widowed? Hopefully.
Widow. Widow.
Oh, I'm sorry. So you're widowed? Hopefully.
Look! I cleaned! I did the windows, I did the floors. I even used all those attachments on the vacuum except for that little round one.
Attachment. Attachment.
I even used all those attachments on the vacuum except for that little round one. One might wonder.
Someone's left a glass on the coffee table. There's no coaster.
Coaster. Coaster.
Someone's left a glass on the coffee table. There's no coaster. Yeah, well, I only have 20 minutes until Ethan, so, you know.
Ooh, do I sense a little bit of resentment?
No resentment. Believe me.
Resentment. Resentment.
No resentment. Believe me.
Chandler, you know, the old Monica would remind you to scrub that Teflon pan with a plastic brush.
Scrub. Scrub.
You just scrub that Teflon pan with a plastic brush.
Right. Okay. Losing the robe. Okay, and the robe is lost.
Robe. Robe.
Okay, and the robe is lost. I'm chowing.
No, that was clenching.
Clench. Clench.
No, that was clenching. And cut. What was that?
I was going for quiet desperation.
Desperation. Desperation.
I was going for quiet desperation.
I know there'll be many moments in the years to come when I'll regret asking the following question, but
Regret. Regret.
when I'll regret asking the following question, but
Is new.
Oh, so what you're saying is you're not completely fulfilled by Rick, Ethan, and myself.
Fulfill. Fulfill.
Oh, so what you're saying is you're not completely fulfilled by Rick, Ethan, and myself. Something so sweet and disturbing about that.
Disturb. Disturb.
Disturbing about that.